time. Okay? Kaya base may instruction, tapos di na tong papel ko, di na tong ano, it's there, okay? Pero kung compute mo man phone mo, open the notes and then, okay, miss, amo ni siya, and amo ni siya. Okay, noted, okay? So instead of saying, that's not my task, okay? Sometimes may ara tangagin ano, you can say, I understand. May I confirm if this is part of my assigned responsibility? Medyo tricky ito. Maybe you can apply this kind of conversation already if full-time employee ka. Okay? This statement, full-time employee, but as interns, they already know paano lang in your responsibilities anyway. So yes, you will still be guided sa inyong workplace. So instead of saying I'm stressed, okay, damo-damo ging hatag sa inyo. I am currently managing several tasks. May I ask which one ang i-prioritize namon? Which one ang may deadline? Which one ang una-una mo nun all of this? So see, when you're able to use professional communication, if nadumduman yung inyong IGG, nga non-violent communication, this is actually somewhat similar to this one. Okay? One sentence lang to. Okay? Next, okay, this is part of, which is really important for you to grow up and mature. Mugid ni Perme ko ginaobra when I was still an intern during my bachelor's degree. We ask for feedback properly, okay? So useful lines, at times you would say, Ma'am, sir, may I ask for a feedback? How I handle the task? Okay man siya, nag-conduct ko group dynamics. We conducted the program. Was it okay? And usually, yes, okay, good na. Okay. So what should I do to improve next time? You would usually have that one. Or would you prefer that I update daily or only after completing the task? Kaya base pala busy sila, so maging hatag, ma'am, i-update ka if na-done ko first step or tapuson ko na lang tanan and you would correct my work. So at least you would be able to have a chance to have a proper feedback. So these questions actually show maturity, learning, being active, and kumbaga, active listening. And number 4, just like what Doc Joy said, do not personalize everything. For everyone, even inside your classroom, kung ano ang gakatabok between your friends and all of that, sometimes gakapaupanta and we think that it's our fault. So much more in the workplace when there are kumbaga stressful events, major events. So everyone is just, they drop formalities, they just be direct, okay? So do not personalize everything. In the workplace, not everything is about you, okay? We cannot be the main character in every room that we go into. That's why we have to observe. And with that one, a supervisor may be tired, a staff member may be pressured, a coworker may be handling personal problems, or the department may be rushing a deadline. That's why wala na kamuga kagaan task. Okay? They're not saying you're not useful. It's just that all of these tasks pang employees and so these does not excuse disrespect, but it helps you avoid over interpreting every interaction. Okay, at least you won't have sleepless nights because all of these ilan na siya. Rest assured that your supervisors would tell you directly if you did something wrong or may amuning concern. Okay? So with that one, and number 5, please be teachable and take initiative, okay? In communicating with older coworkers or even kapwa no Gen Zs, you need to be teachable and take initiative. Hindi pwede nga ma-ride on lang ta sa credits of other people, which was greatly emphasized sa talk ni Doc Joy. So the best intern is not the one who knows everything. That is not the concept that you must have. Okay? The best intern is the one that can be corrected without collapsing, without breaking down, can ask questions without shame, wala na huya, and can improve without being defensive. Right? That is what you need to learn from your internship sites. And when there is no task at hand, okay, this is something really important that I observed. Kung wala gani task, it's okay. Pero sometimes you don't have to sit down and wait for it. You look around. even if ang task mo dapat amo ni, you can ask permission and take initiative. It's okay nga ga-arrange ka books, may book nga table nga itrapuhan, you organize materials, even sweep the floor and help prepare the area. Okay? Because you are assisting the employees. Even if usually hindi ka na nila suguon because you are an intern learning the basics of the job and a workplace. But there's nothing wrong with taking initiative because again, be teachable. Okay? Initiative does not always mean doing big things. Okay? Hindi na siya. Sometimes it's just noticing small things that need to be done and helping without being told. Nakita mo nga nagpudag-pudag ng isang employee sa iya stapler kay wala unod, nagkuha siya sang isa nga stapler, kag amo nang ging sige kuhaon mo man guro ang isa ka stapler kag butangan sang bala. Okay? Those are small things that does not need to be noticed, but it shows that you are teachable and able to observe. Okay? So with that one, my dear students, always remember as interns, you will meet different people who work differently from you. Okay? You would have questions, a lot of questions. Some are formal, direct, ang iba prefer hierarchy. I was able to actually meet a particular person nga hindi gid siya magstorya even to the employees. Dapat director to director only or CEO to CEO only. Wala na ginasa pa. So, it's just them. Okay? Some may value collaboration, some gusto nila to work by themselves. Ang iban, limited interaction, wala gang irit, magsulod. Some prefer printed, ang iban, online. So your task is not actually to prove which generation is better. Okay? Kagong gasugod that is something that would cause conflicts. Okay? Our task as interns is to become professionally flexible, even others are not. Okay? So with that, the intergenerational workplace relationship improve when people stop asking why are they like that. Instead, you ask, how can I work with them respectfully and effectively despite the differences? Okay? So, this is the kind of intern workplaces, remember? Not the loudest, not the most talented, but the one who is respectful, teachable, reliable, and professional. When I was still sa iba nga, up until now, I will never forget an intern from a particular institution nga wala ko pa ginasugo sa iya, himuan niya na ko Excel table and encoding the results, the evaluation, and then, Miss, would you like me to encode this na? So, yes, I have a format here and all. Actually, Miss, nag-initiative ko nga mag-amuni. Is this what you mean? Oh, yes. Okay, sige, go. Tapos muna. Tapos, gina-comment ko lang. Before, I know that she is observing me because I was conducting group process. Grabe ang assistance nga ginapahigad yung laptop, ginaano yung prepared materials, tapos abot siya din ng basing sang akon nga top nalatag na ang Manila paper sa likod. Okay? That person, I will never forget her. And in fact, may gitna siya nga kataas ang iya position right now. So, yes. So I would remember interns who is teachable, professional, and actually takes initiative. Okay? So with that, once again, thank you very much. This is once again your Gen Z ate, Graciela B. Salvilla. And I hope that you will enjoy your internship because I did with mine. Okay? Kasadya gid some bachelor's nga OJT nga internship. Okay? Sige. So that would be all. Thank you very much.
Wow, grabe talaga si Miss Rochella. A heartfelt thank you, Miss, for that
Uh,
insightful session on interpersonal relationships at work.
I really love that very hatag si Miss Joshella sa mga example nga maka-relate gid ang mga students. So thank you so much, Miss. So at this point, no, I will pass the floor to Brother Paul if there are questions from our students. Brother Paul?
First of all, thank you, Miss Ella. That's indeed another helpful topic as we are preparing the interns for their workplace. And now the floor is given back to you, students. Do you have any question while listening to Miss Ella?
Questions, you can PM it to
Yeah,
me. Raise your hand.
yeah, actually
Or
everything
maybe an
given by
insight.
me.
Brother, baka pwede insight or realization nila of about their internship. Yeah. Kahit one sentence.
Mhm.
You can PM it to me.
Guys, do not hesitate. Okay, so let me again. I will initiate the question. So, Miss, actually, this one actually no one once now. But just in case lang, if an intern experiences the misunderstanding or conflict with a coworker, so what is the best way to handle it professionally, according to you?
Okay. Basta we get to experience any conflicts, like for example, intern to employee, or maybe intern to intern. That's why your internship coordinators are there. Okay? You can consult them. They usually say, you know what, you can report it um to your supervisor there on site, or maybe your internship coordinator will step in and inquire, okay, where is this coming from, what happened, and all of that. So make sure you know your internship coordinator, you know their contact details, their email, and even you ask around questions kay kilanlan gid na mamangkot anay. Okay, just like emotional intelligence, we do not become emotionally reactive. We regulate our emotions. We are able to apply logical thinking despite the height of emotions, so that our reaction is deemed appropriate and professional. It shows maturity. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Hi, brother. I have a question here. Okay. I have a
Mhm.
question here. Do they expect, Miss, that the Gen Z people knows everything sa digital things? We are stereotyped, my dear. Okay. We are stereotyped because we grew up with technology. But okay, it's okay really to be honest that, Miss, I have no idea. But again, another teachable moment is to take initiative. Would you like me to learn it, Miss, so that I get to present kung ano kaya ko? Okay? We don't give definite no's. Usually, syempre we know our limitations. But, of course, when digital, Miss, i-explore ko. I'll Google it. I'll check ChatGPT, anong iya nga suggestion. Remember, most memorable interns are those who take initiative. Nga wala lang gabal, wala ko idea, Miss. Kundi, pero i-check ko, Miss. I'll ask my friend if she knows. I'll ask this person if they know. That's what I love about the Guidance and Evaluation Center student assistants, actually. I would ask them, Miss, dear kabalo ka mag-amo, Miss, wala. Pero may ako friend that knows and all. Mamangkot ko. Okay, even our interns here, okay, sa master, si Miss Kimberly, Miss Vanessa, and si Brother Paul, they do that. Okay? Sige, I think that's the only question na nag-PM sa ako.
Okay, Miss, thank you. Those very practical answers. Yeah, thank you so much. And students, do you have any? I hope over you already ready now. Especially through the two topics that shared by two speakers that you bring in mind as something in your future internship.
Thank you so much,
I'm
Brother
sorry.
Paul.
There managhingagaw. Okay lang ba sahon? Do we still have time?
Yes, I think we